Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be talking about Pips TikTok, Pips coupon, Pips ads review, and also the discount. So guys, this will be a step-by-step guide on how you can get into these four major categories. So we first of all talk about the TikTok aspect, the coupon aspect, the review, and the discount. So first of all, let's talk about is TikTok. So Pips is the largest search engine database of TikTok ads in the world. So TikTok is used to know and to spy on ads. So if you want to spy on your competitors' ads, you use Pips ads to do that. And I think they are the best now in the world in terms of spying on the competitors. So if you want to start up dropshipping and you want to make money online using your dropshipping website, I think this Pips is for you. So what they do up to four particular things. Pips helps you to do four things, and they do what? They find the hot selling product for you. Pips helps you to find the hot selling product. So if you are looking for a hot selling product that can help you to make sales online, even at the comfort of your home, and make money for yourself, Pips ads can do that for you. They help you to find what? The hot selling product. Then the second thing they do, they assess quality materials. They help you to access quality materials that can help you to generate more income, because they help you to know that material that you are assessing, whether it will be valuable to you and whether it can help you to generate more income for yourself. So they also use TikTok ads to discover selling products. So they help you to use TikTok ads. The ones that are already working, they tell you about them and how you can use that one to ravage on the already existing audience that one had. So if them themselves, they give you a nice discovering selling product. So every product that they will arrange or they will put for you to know this particular product is selling at this particular time, you can put this product on your store and make sales for yourself. So them are the number one in terms of this. They help you to do what they use their TikTok ads to discover selling products. So the fourth one is that they track competitors for more ads, product and strategy. So the more your competitors are putting up ads, they continue tracking them, tracking on what they do, and tracking on how you can ravage on that particular thing that their competitors are doing in order for you to do the same thing and make money for yourself. So TikTok, PP is very important and is very cool in terms of today's TikTok or a dropshipping business. If you're into dropshipping and you want to know more about getting your competitors' product or whatever they are doing, this PP has tool is very important for you. So the next one is the coupon. So if you want to go for the coupon, use the link below the video and also use the coupon ODC Junior and get the coupon. The coupon is what you need. If you need it, use ODC Junior and you get the coupon. So the third one, I said we are going to talk about the review. I've almost told you everything about the review. I think what we did at the first time is the review. So the review itself, TikTok, this is the best TikTok as spy tool that you can ever get anywhere. So it's very cheap and it's very affordable, but you can try it for free. Use the link below the video, try it for free, and if it's good for you, then you can also get started with it. No, the premium version, they allow you to use it for $1. Once you use it for $1, then if you like it after 1 month, you can upgrade with the main price rate. So you can go for that. And the discount also, you can use that coupon code to get 20% discount for every every one that you buy from the platform. So you can use the link below the video and use that coupon code ODC Junior and get 20% discount. If it's what you are looking for, this will be the best for you. So guys, I hope you have been able to get these four particular things now: the PP ads TikTok, the PP ads coupon, the PP ads review, and the PP ads discount. These are the four major things that I want to share with you in this video. I hope you're already liking the video and you're subscribing. So Till I see you some other time. Keep winning. Decision loves you. Bye.